Hi, I'm Jen. I am a pickleball pro and physical therapist with Athletico for over 25 years. I'm here with my teammate David, and we are going to be coming to you with some injury prevention tips to help reduce your likelihood of injury and keep you on the court. Everyone is playing pickleball. It's so much fun. Not just our racket sport players, people are coming from hockey or soccer, volleyball, all different athletic backgrounds. But if you're playing a lot like we all are, and you're having pain at your elbow, you're probably having what I like to call pickle elbow, otherwise known as tennis elbow. That's mostly due to overuse, playing too much, and irritation right here at your joint. Off the court, you need to strengthen muscles higher, your rotator cuff and your shoulder stabilizers. When you're strong, higher than the joint, it greatly reduces stress at that joint. We want to keep you strong and on the court. I'm going to be showing you one of my favorite exercises to strengthen the rotator cuff. Rotator cuff. This tube you can take anywhere. Keep it in your pickleball bag, grab it, stand on the strap, hold your arm at 90 degrees, look straight ahead with your neck, and just rotate up. Really focused on the return. This is eccentric strengthening. Go up strong, try to get full range of motion, and down slow. You want to keep your arm pulled back into scap retraction. Do not hike with your neck. As you fatigue, if you feel like you're using your neck or having any pain in the front of the shoulder, go with a lighter band and decrease the tension in that band. These bands come in multiple colors and resistance. Pick one that you can do correctly. It shouldn't be too much strain. That's perfect form. If you have any aches or pains or injuries on or off the pickleball court, let Athletico take a first look. Start with a free assessment at any of our locations. Our team will fully assess your condition and develop a treatment plan individualized for you to get you back on the court.